Do you want to learn how to quickly and easily prepare a delicious marmitako? In this new episode of this series, dedicated to authentic Basque cuisine, the cuisine I grew up with and that led me to become a chef. Today I'll teach you how to prepare traditional marmitako, the recipe that fishermen brought from their boats to our shores and kitchens. Quick and easy, but absolutely delicious. Choose your subtitles. Ingredients in the description. Marmitako is a fish soup, so we'll start by preparing a fish broth. You can use hake heads or bones, or monkfish bones, as I will today. You'll need 1 pound of fish bones. Use a pot to heat 7 cups of water. Add your fish bones. After a couple of minutes, begin removing impurities from the water. Add a tablespoon of salt and let it cook for 15 minutes. Then, using a sieve, strain the broth to remove all the bones. The next step might be tricky, depending on where you are. You'll need a sun-dried pepper. Soak it in hot water for 10 minutes to rehydrate. Red pepper paste works too. Meanwhile, we'll take an onion and chop it into small pieces. Cover the bottom of a saucepan with olive oil and heat it over medium heat. Repeat the process with 1 leek. Add it into the saucepan and let it cook with the onion for 5 minutes. Now peel 4 garlic cloves and chop them finely. Once again, add them to the saucepan. 1 green bell pepper. Cut it, remove the tough strings, and then finely chop it. Add it to the other vegetables. It'll cook in the soup, so no need to cook it beforehand. Choose 4 nice potatoes to boil. Then peel them. When adding them, we'll do so by cracking them up, not cutting them, so that the potato releases its starch, and we obtain the perfect texture for our marmitako. Not too creamy, not too liquid. Add the delicious fish broth you have prepared. And let it cook at medium-high for 20 minutes. A couple of bay leaves. Let's spice up our stew with a sun-dried chili. Open it and remove the seeds. Then cut it into small slices and add them to the soup. Our dried pepper will be hydrated now. Remove the skin and chop the flesh before adding it to the stew. Stir a few times to combine all the ingredients. Let me know what you think of this Basque cuisine series in the comments. If there's a specific recipe you'd like to see, just ask. Time for the star of the show, tuna. Use Longfin Tuna if possible. Otherwise, any tuna will work. The same quantity as the potatoes, 1 pound. Cut it into bite-sized pieces. Don't make them too small or they'll overcook. Turn off the heat, then add it to the pan. The residual heat will cook it gently, keeping it moist and tender. You'll see the color change as it cooks. Stir a couple of times to ensure it's fully submerged. Then cover and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Now you can serve your authentic marmitako with its tender meat and cooked but still firm potatoes for a satisfying bite. And a delicious soup that's both brothy and creamy. Add a little flaked salt to finish. If you made it this far, leave us a like. I'll see you next week with another dish. Thanks for watching.